This is for two people: the law firm that has to keep its books bar compliant, and the accountant or bookkeeper who supports that firm. If that is you, the next few minutes could change how you work. Let me be clear about who this bundle serves: law firms that need clean, compliant books, accountants and bookkeepers who serve law firms and want to do it to standard, and any firm thinking about adding law offices as a niche because it is one of the most valuable and defensible niches you can have. Whichever side of the desk you sit on, this was built for you. Here is why law firms are different. They keep two sets of books: a normal operating account like any business, and a client trust account, the IOLTA account, that holds money which is not the firm's money. And the rules on that second account are unforgiving. Trust money can never be commingled with firm money. No client's balance can ever go negative, and the trust bank balance, book balance, and the sum of every client ledger must agree to the penny. Get it wrong, and it's not a late fee. It is a bar compliant issue. This is exactly where firms get into trouble and exactly where a trust savvy accountant or bookkeeper becomes indispensable. So we built the whole system with IOLTA at the center. You get the three-way reconciliation, client trust ledgers with balance monitoring, a trust-aware chart of accounts and setup, earned fee transfers with retainer and advance fee classifications, matter and practice area profitability, and the operating essentials like reconciliations, receivables, and client intake. Let me walk you through the ones that matter most. Start with the centerpiece, the IOLTA three-way reconciliation. It lines up the trust bank balance, the trust general ledger, and the total of every client ledger. When they agree, you get a clean signed reconciliation, the exact report most state bars require every month. When they do not, it shows you the variance and the likely cause. This one agent is the reason firms sleep at night. Right beside it, the client trust ledger keeps a running balance for every client and hard flags the two cardinal sins: a negative client balance and any sign of commingling. It even surfaces stale balances that should be returned. It is like having a compliance officer watching the trust account around the clock. None of that works without the right foundation, so the bundle sets up a trust aware chart of accounts. Trust funds are booked as a liability, never as income. Cost advances, unearned retainers, and fee income each get their own home, so trust and operating money can never accidentally touch. When it's time to get paid, the transfer agent moves money out of the trust the right way, only after an invoice, never more than the client has, with a full paper trail and automatic retainer refills. And a classifier answers the question that trips up every new matter: does this deposit belong in trust or in operating? Then it helps you run the firm. The Matter Profitability Analyzer shows you where you actually make money by matter and practice area, comparing worked, billed, and collected. And the everyday work is handled too: bank reconciliations, receivable collections, and clean client and matter intake. So, what does this give you? Trust accounting to bar standards, hours of manual reconciliation handed back every month, and the confidence to serve law firms without fear. Whether you are the firm or the professional who serves the firm, it is the same win. And these are not tools we just sell, we run them in our own firm on real client work every single day. If you serve law firms or you want to, this is your unfair advantage. See the law firm bundle and the whole library at aiaaccounting.legacysbc.com, and join our free workshop on July 30th at 10 a.m. Central. Register at the link on the screen. One quick note: trust rules vary by state, so always verify locally. AI does the typing, you make the judgment calls.